You humans run marathons, chase deadlines, burn yourselves out, and somehow call that living. You think speed is survival, that moving faster means winning. I move at 40% the speed of mammals my size, and I'm still here. I am the sloth. You call it laziness. I call it energy conservation with excellent long-term results. You should try it. You won't. Millions of years ago, my ancestors didn't hang quietly in trees. They ruled the ground. Giant ground sloths, 6 meters tall, 4 tons, bigger than your African elephant. We tore down forests, and when food disappeared, we walked into the ocean and grazed underwater. And then we looked at all that effort and collectively said, no. So we climbed a tree and retired. Early retirement, no savings required. Hanging upside down forever should kill you. It doesn't kill me. My organs are anchored so they don't crush my lungs. My neck rotates nearly 270 degrees. You twist wrong in your sleep and wake up injured. I don't even wake up. I just rotate. You think survival is speed, outrun the predator, or become irrelevant. I don't run from jaguar or harpy eagle. I become something they don't bother with, like your unread emails. I stay so still, algae grows on my fur, moss spreads, insects move in. I am no longer just an animal. I am real estate. Moths lay eggs in my coat. Beetles live on me. Sometimes I eat the algae growing on my own body. Yes, I farm myself. Sustainable, organic, zero effort. I eat over 90 types of leaves. One meal can take a month to digest. And I can still die with a full stomach. Imagine starving during a buffet. Cold weather slows my system. The bacteria stop working. Food just sits there. Like your gym membership. Reproduction? Rare, brief. Even your documentaries struggle to find it. Babies are born and stay on their mother's body. All-inclusive package. But once a week, I do something incredibly stupid. I go to the ground to defecate. Yes, that's the reason. This is when most of us die. You sit safely on a toilet, scrolling your phone. I risk my life for the same outcome. Different lifestyles. And if the forest floods, I swim. Surprisingly well. Better than some of you who panic in a swimming pool. In captivity, you call me lazy. 16 hours of sleep. In the wild, less than 10. I am not lazy. I just don't attend unnecessary meetings. My claws lock perfectly into branches. Even in death, I won't fall.
No.
You need motivation to get out of bed. I don't even need to hold on. Good luck with your deadlines. I'll be here, doing absolutely nothing.